Hey guys, and Merry Christmas, man. It's Christmas time. This is the best time, man, of the year. Especially when you're making like 3 dozen remote starts every single day. Great for your family life. Really great for your social life, too. It does really good work for your social life as well. But anyway, on a more serious note, I would like to just let you know that this year, since I'm getting a lot of people asking me to make specific kits, unlike in the past, I just make kits for certain year makes and models like this one here. I'm building for a, what was this one? This one is for an Infinity FX35, which is fine, and I don't mind making these kinds of kits because I can do them really quick, and I can knock them out, and I can make a whole bunch of money doing it this way. But I want to try to do what everybody else is not doing, and that's pretty much what I've always done, which is pretty much why I always do so well with everything, because I should be trying to do better for you guys instead of more for me and less for the customer. That's pretty much the way I've always tried to take the focus of my company and the way I serve my people, my customers. This year, I'm going to put some links below. So if you're looking for a custom plug-and-play, say one which does smartphone app, and you also want to have an extended range RF kit, maybe a 1-button remote control, maybe a 4-button, maybe you don't want the smartphone at all, maybe you just want to have one with an alarm system and a true plug-and-play scenario, or maybe you want one without security, but you want it with the feature to work with a manual transmission, which is something nobody else that I can tell is building. No one. I started doing that a couple months ago, and the response was so great. I should probably create a video and let you know that they are available. So if you have a manual transmission and you want an alarm system built into it for insurance discount, if you have it for a lease and you want to make it plug and play, you don't want to make it a permanent installation, but you want to have a horn, a siren, or a shock sensor, proximity sensor, door triggers, whatever it is that you're looking for. These plug and plays have really come to they've kind of gotten to a point where you can actually almost really customize these kits to a really extensive level. So I want you to know that all the options that you can imagine or couldn't imagine maybe 2 years ago, today are doable. So again, look at the links below, and I'm going to put links for my custom plug and plays for auto transmission, manual transmission with alarm, without alarm, smartphone, 1-button, 4-button, 2-way LCD remote controls, 2-way LED remote controls, all those things. There's going to be just oodles of options this year, more than you've ever experienced, more than you even can experience. And also, I'm going to show you a way where you can go into my store and locate specific year, makes, and models for key starts, hybrid starts, push-to-starts, key starts. Man, it's just so many different vehicles, and just keep adding every day. So I understand it gets complicated. It does get complicated these days to try to find the exact specific year, make, and model, start type, solution with the add-on upgrades that you're looking for. And if that sounds like you, I'm your guy. So check out the links below, and you're going to find a lot of resources that are very valuable to you to make things a lot easier. Plus, again, you got, I mean, obviously you're getting us to do all your work, so that right there sells it. Tech support, you got that. You have me, you have phone, you have tech support, we have PDF, installation guides, wire color, installation guides, which give you blown up, detailed, vehicle-specific installation guides, an app you could download for tech support. There's just so much out there, so much resources, more now than ever, that we have to supply and offer to you guys. We do appreciate your business, and again, thank you for your business, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Have a merry, 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 merry Christmas.